Welcome back to another episode. Following on from the scorcher of last week, which was super hot, this week's looking to be just as hot. So I thought I'd show you some of our air conditioning installs. We've got 3 on this week. At the first one now, we've got one at a company and then one at a home gym. So I'm going to talk you through some of the systems, show you what we're getting up to. In between that, I've got 2 Tesla Powerwalls to install this week as well, but we'll document that separately. This system's going to be a Bosch. It's what the customer's spec'd. So we're going to do it's 3.5 kilowatt. Yep, 3.5 kilowatt Bosch system into the kitchen area. Hopefully that'll bring him some respite from this weather because it's ridiculously hot. Let's get into it. This is the area that we're going to be putting the aircon on. Indoor units going above there, all prepped up with the floor mats and sill mats, and just out here is where the outdoor unit is going to go. So this will provide heating and cooling to this whole space. I've done a lot for this customer over the past few years, so it's nice to be invited back to do the air conditioning. Outdoor unit is going to go here just behind me. First job is let's get the back plate on the wall, hole drilled out, and the indoor unit prepped and pipes extended. That's the unit electrically connected. I'm going to prep that for some brazing. We're only about 3 meters out with the pipework, so ordinarily you would expand that outwards, maybe put a bit of a tail on it and then braze another piece on. But I'm going to try and do this in one long piece. Let's see if we can get it to work. That is the outdoor unit, the condenser in place. I'm going to flare the end pieces, get that connected up. So this is the outdoor unit, or the condenser, in position. Just got to connect up these pipes. Then I can pressure test it. Once it's pressure tested, I will then vac it out and get on with the electrics. And then we should be able to get it up and running. Just going to trim it down just so I can work with it a bit better. Measure it off, there's no point in being that long. This is where you normally forget to put the flaring nut on. Do your flare and then realise you've forgot the nut. So you've got to go back and redo it. I'm going to remember. Give that a little deburr, a little tap out in case there's anything still in there. Nearly forgot the nut after I said that. Let's take that back off. Nut's on. That's done. Oh, I'm gonna get these done before that rain comes. Don't want to get any moisture in this. Sadly, I'm gonna have to stop this and get all this equipment inside. So the system is all connected. I'm just pressure testing it now for about 10 minutes, and then once that's done, I'll get it on vacuum. So let me show you where I'm up to. Nitrogen through the gauges. I have bought myself some digital gauges because I've only got analog, and digital is just the way forward, I think. So yeah, some digital gauges. That's on pressure test. Even connected up to my phone, and it's counting down for me. So I'll come back in 10 minutes, just get this tidied up, and then yeah, vacuum it out. That's the system all pressure tested and vacuumed out. Managed to get it down to 300 micron just whilst I was doing the electrics. So time to release the gas and get it all working. So this one is all commissioned, all up and running. Let me show you around. Outdoor unit, pipework going into the conservatory, that's all running. Indoor unit, all running.